Hey guys, welcome to Big John's EDC. Today we're going to go over the Scoutrat. It doesn't have a name. It's a 3.58 inch blade, 14C 28N steel with micarta handles. It's OD green or olive drab, and I love it. I haven't seen many videos about this brand online, so I just wanted to show you. It's an Amazon brand, or a brand that you can find on Amazon. Has orange G10 liners. Has a really great action. This thing is wicked. It's very sharp out of the box. 14C 28M blade steel. It's got really nice sculpted micarta handles. Olive drab green. Has blue accents around the pivot collar. It's got JR or SR. I would think SR, but it looks like JR on the handle, and then it has a little rat on the blade. It has a gray titanium coating on it. This thing is sweet. It's a bigger knife. So from the tip to the hilt of the knife, it's about close to 9 inches. And then it's supposed to have a 3.58 inch blade, which it does. Really cool knife. There's a spot for a lanyard, albeit a very small hole for a lanyard. So if you want to put a lanyard on there, you have to keep that in mind. This thing is sweet. Has a reversible pocket. Well, no reversible pocket clip. One-sided pocket clip, right hand carry only. And I don't know if you could see that, but you're gonna have a little trouble with the screws, but it's a minor gripe. The screws that hold the pocket clip on the knife. This is a sweet option. It's only $27. When I picked it up, it was $27 with an $8 clickable code, so they go on sale. Has nice jimping right here. Just a all-around sweet knife. Has ball bearings. And again, it came extremely sharp. Extremely sharp. I'm just ripping paper at this point. But it's very sharp. This thing is sweet. It comes with a really nice branded cleaning cloth. Well, it comes with the little Allen key or Torx key to remove the pocket clip if you so desire. But it has a really nice cleaning cloth. I doubt you could see that on there, but it does say Scoutrat. And overall, I think for the money, for the materials, you're getting a really good deal. This thing is sweet. I really like the blue accents to the pivot collar. Keep in mind that coating, you're going to see a lot of fingerprints, so thus the cleaning cloth. But man, that thing is sweet. Tell me what you think about it. I enjoy answering comments. You guys are awesome. We're almost at 300 subscribers. Keep in mind that when we hit 600 subscribers on my channel and 600 subscribers on ClubEDCGuate, his channel, I'll link it in the description. If both of us can reach 600 subscribers, we're going to give away a really nice drop bear button lock knife, a Flightanium lightning bug flashlight, and a Flightanium UFO flipper, fidget flipper. It's like a ballad song. Really sweet. You guys are absolutely awesome. Best subscribers in the world. I thank you from the bottom of my heart for making this happen. I really enjoy doing these videos. So if you want to see good videos, you know, letting you know about the new deals on knives, go check out 704 Gears channel. He's always informing the EDC community about new and upcoming knives. He has some new knives coming out, so look out for that. He's a great guy, great company, and he has really great videos. They awesome for the EDC community. You guys are amazing. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. God bless and peace.